Hello everyone, this is Javelin from English Tutor Hub and welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 on verbs has, have, and had. And this video is all about practice exercise. Alright, so let's get started. This practice exercise has two tests. Test A, which has 10 questions, and test B also has 10 questions. So for test A, you have to underline the correct answer for each sentence. You have 5 seconds before I'm gonna give the answer. And if you think 5 seconds is not enough, you can pause the video and start it again when you are ready. Alright? So, question number 1. Answer? A motorcycle has 2 wheels. So, we have has here because our subject is singular, which is motorcycle. Question number 2. Answer? I have many friends. So answer here is have because I is a pronoun that we use have. I, we, you, and they, we use the verb have. Alright? So answer here is have. I have many friends. Question number 3. Answer? A spider has 8 legs. Question number 4. Answer? This book has many pages. So answer here is has because our subject is only one book. This book has many pages. Question number 5. Answer? Mr. and Mrs. Smith have a son. So we have because our subject here is plural, which are Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Mr. and Mrs. Smith have a son. Question number 6. Answer? Penguins have wings, but they cannot fly. So our subject is penguins. So we have. Alright? Question number 7. Answer? Anne has curly hair. So has is the answer because our subject is singular, which is Anne. Question number 8. Answer? Keith and his friend have short hair. So we have here because our subject is plural, which are Keith and his friend have short hair. Question number 9. Answer? A rambutan has only one seed. Answer is has because rambutan here is singular, only one rambutan. Our subject is rambutan, which is only one. Alright, so we have to use has. Question number 10, last question for test A. Answer? Vic has a set of beautiful teeth. So we have has because our subject is only one, which is Vic. Vic has a set of beautiful teeth. The following slide is test B. Fill in each blank with the help of the words inside the box. Has, have, and had. You have 5 seconds to think of your answer before I'm gonna move on to the next question. I'm gonna give the answer after each slide, alright? So let's start. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Alright? So I'm gonna give the answer now for number 1. Okay, correct answer is had. We had a huge teddy bear when we were younger. So guys, as you can see here, we have a plural pronoun we as our subject, and we have had here because it is in the past. We had a huge teddy bear when we were younger. So had. Number 2. A crab has 10 legs. So answer is has because our subject is singular, which is a crab. Number 3. My colleague and I have a set of keys to the office. So answer here is have because our subject is plural, colleague, and I. Alright? Number 4. Peacocks have colorful feathers. Peacocks have colorful feathers. So answer is have because our subject is plural, which is peacocks. Number 5. Melissa has a new computer. So it is very obvious that our subject is singular, which is Melissa, and so your verb is has. Melissa has a new computer. Now let's move on to the next slide. Question number 6. Question number 7. Question number 8. Question number 9. And question number 10, last question. So I'm going to give you the answer. So answer is has. Dave is happy because he has a new bicycle. So answer here is has because it is in the present. And our subject is singular. Dave is happy because he has a new bicycle. Number 7. Do you have a pen? So here our subject is you, a pronoun you, which we have to use have. Do you have a pen? And it is in the present. Question number 8. Sandy had a beautiful painting in her room when she was 5 years old. So we have a subject here which is singular, Sandy, and our answer here is had because it's in the past. When she was 5 years old. Okay, Sandy had a beautiful painting in her room when she was 5 years old. Question number 8 and question number 9, sorry. Answer question number 9. A tiger has a stripes on its body. So answer here is has, because our subject is singular, only one tiger. A tiger has a stripes on its body. Question number 10, last question. Answer is have. They have a bungalow at the beach. They go there every weekend. So guys, our answer here is have because it is in the present and our subject is a plural pronoun. Alright? So guys, I hope you understand this practice exercise. Please let me know in the comment section how many correct answers did you get. And if you like this practice exercise, you can go to englishtutorhub.com to get a full transcript of this practice exercise, and there are also many useful stuff that you might interested in. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and let me know your thoughts and questions. Love to hear from you. Thank you very much.